What's up guys, today's finally the day to finally install my rotas. They've been waiting for so long, I think like 2 weeks, but it's about freaking time. So we're gonna be going to the Best Tire Shop to get an alignment, get two new tires, and just mount those things. So let's go.
All right, guys, we're headed over to Best Tire Shop Fontana. Big thank you to Victor for sponsoring the entire team for any tire work, mounting, alignments. Huge thank you, dude. Can't thank you enough for doing this. So we're taking Jay over there to mount our tires on our new rotas, and then we're hopefully gonna get an alignment, and we'll get back and do some work for today. But big thank you, Best Tire Shop Fontana. Love you, Victor. What's up, dude?
It's out of here.
Yeah.
I gotta move this thing real quick.
Okay.
Then I'll put that there, and I don't know if there's space for you to park right here, but I got another car inside that I gotta do a valve on.
Okay.
And other than that, I can pull her car in.
Okay. You want her to just park there for now?
No, they don't like.
Oh, they'll trip out. You want just a stage right here?
Just stay right where you guys are.
Okay.
I mean,
all right.
what can they really say?
Yeah. Okay.
You know? Yeah. Well, actually, you know what? They're gonna move this thing, and they gotta push it. So,
The white one? Or which one?
The Blazer. They're gonna push it over there.
Okay, we'll get out of the way.
And then I'm gonna move this.
Okay. Hello. We're getting our tires mounted. Best Tire Shop.
Okay, so we finally made it here in the Best Tire Shop in Fontana. Now let's get rid of these snowflakes because I'm tired of looking at them.
Hey everybody, my name is Victor Hernandez. I am the owner of Best Tire Shop of Fontana. Today we're gonna work on Jalene's car. We're gonna mount some tires for her and get her aligned. Here at Best Tire Shop, we do anything from tire mounting, wheel repair, general mechanics, alignment, any suspension work. We do a little bit of everything. We've been here now for 3 years and accomplished a lot in these last 3 years.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Pauly, Pauly on Instagram. So behind me I have my car, which is a 2004 Nissan 350Z. Believe it or not, this car was just stock like a year ago. It was actually my new daily, but now it's completely built, as you guys can see. I have a full body kit on it. I'm on bag. I have the big wide LXZs on it. Well, you can't really tell right now since I'm aired out, but I got the new paint job and I have a bunch of new things planned for it. Very excited for what the future holds. I'm gonna be going to all kinds of car shows here in SoCal, so I'm excited to have that coming to you guys. I thank you, Mike, for having me on your new Primal Garage series. And if you guys want to know more about the Z and what I've done to it, the bags I have, the coils, all the information I have on the Z, make sure you guys comment below, feature the Z. Till next time, peace.
I'm falling in love all over again, dude. Like, wow. Who knew snowflakes would make such a difference?
I got into the car scene mainly because I love cars. We love servicing stuff that we really like. Primarily, I work on modified cars. I guess you could say our specialty that we do here are the lowered cars, solely because it's something that we enjoy doing. My advice to people that want to get into anything, and necessarily, you know, the tire business or any business, is just really work hard. Love what you do. Probably the most important thing is loving what you do. Do it with a passion and just enjoy it. If you don't do that, then you'll never be successful.
I can't even recognize it. This isn't the car I bought. This is too nice. This is so beautiful. I'm falling in love like 10 times right now. I think every time I'm gonna get out of my car, I'm just gonna be like, just to check it out, a few photos. This is fucking nice. I love it.
So right now, basically, we're adjusting her toe to get back into spec after installing the coilovers. Okay, so typically when anybody adds coilovers or does any modifications to their suspension, it's best to get an alignment. Since she added the coilovers, it is a necessity to do. Her alignment was extra towed in and the front was towed out due to the height change in her coilover install. Any modifications to the suspension, you want to have any shop do the alignment, you know, not necessarily me, but yeah, anybody. All right, so we're all done mounting up her tires. Car's aligned. Found a couple little issues we found a couple issues in the suspension. Her outer tie rods are just about ready to go out. So my recommendation is to have them repaired and come back for another alignment, just to keep it on the safe side and not to let it go too long. Other than that, the car's pretty much straightened out, other than that minor issue we found.
I was told that my outer tie rods were actually really flimsy and I had to get those replaced. So that just adds on to my whole ball joint thing, how it's all torn, so I have to do that too. So in other words, my car is just money all over the place. You know, I love my car, so I'm willing to do anything, like even if it asks for all the money in the world, I'm just gonna give it all my love and all my work into it just to make it what I want and what I envision for it to be. Okay, so the Best Tire Shop is honestly true to its name. It really is the best tire shop. Everyone treated me so nice and even gave me tips for the future. The environment here is so friendly. I feel like I could honestly just live here forever, believe it or not. And the job was done just like that, quick and easy. This place is amazing.
So yeah, like I was telling you, if there's any issues, anything feels weird, sounds weird, anything, just let me know. I'll take care of it, and then when you have the other wheel, just bring it back and we'll swap the sensor for you.
All right, sounds
so
good.
nice meeting you, and
Nice meeting
have a
you.
good one, man.
Thank you.